Ballora fell down.
That's a scare act.
Oops.
ThreeMacaroons! Hi, Macaroons!
Hey, Macaroons. How's it going?
Good.
As we usually start our videos. So today, the girls made a super awesome house. It's not just any house. It is a playhouse for our Five Nights at Freddy sister location game set that we put together a few nights ago. So we decided we would do a skit, a story if you will, using the house that the girls built on Ballora, which is that character right there sleeping on her bed. It's her
Birthday!
It's her birthday. So who's ready to get started with our story? You ready?
Me.
All right, let's go.
I wonder who's there. Let's go take a look. Who's there? Who's there? Ah, you scared me. Hi, Ballora. What are you doing today? Oh, I'm not doing nothing so much. It's my birthday today. It's your birthday? I didn't know. You can probably come with me to the pizzeria. No, I can't go. I have plans today. Oh, really? I'll just be home then. Okay, Ballora. Maybe I can come later on. We can do something. Oh, thank you. That would be so kind. See you later. Bye. That was nice of her to come, guys. But I'm so sad no one remembers my birthday. I better go check on the pizzeria to check on my party plans. So, for Ballora's surprise party.
Hey, Heart Daisy, did you see Ballora?
Yeah, I did.
Did you tell her that we were having a birthday surprise party for her?
No.
Oh, I hope she wasn't too sad, was she?
Yes.
Oh man. All right, well, we're almost ready. When we give you a call, you'll bring Ballora here for her big surprise.
Okay.
All right. Do you want to help us put some balloons up?
Yes.
All right, let's get started. I want to be mischief. Let's cause some chaos. I'm going to hide all of the decorations. Let's go. Heart Daisy, we've got a problem.
What?
We're missing the decorations. I don't know where they are. And we're going to run behind.
Oh, no.
I know. I don't want Ballora to get too discouraged. You head back over there and keep her company in the meanwhile. I'll start looking for the balloons, okay?
Okay. Check on Baby Puppet, though.
Baby Puppet, you think he has the balloons?
Yeah.
All right. See you later.
Bye. Hi, Ballora. I came to check on you. Oh, hi. What did you need me for? Nothing. I just want to see you're okay. Okay. Do you want to do something with me? Yes. We can probably do an art project upstairs in my bag. Oh, sure. Wow, Ballora, this is a neat room. Thank you. You want to do an art project now? Yes, of course. Okay.
Meanwhile, back at the pizzeria, Funtime Freddy was running around trying to find the missing decorations and balloon. Oh my gosh, I don't know where they could be. I've looked everywhere. Oh man, I've got to keep looking. Meanwhile, out of the corner, we see Puppet lurking. Ha ha ha, they won't be able to find me or my balloons, and Ballora will not get her birthday surprise. Hey, Mangle.
Yeah?
Mangle,
Yeah?
do you know where the decorations are?
No, I can't I don't know.
Have you seen Puppet?
Well, I think he's in the corner.
The corner? What corner?
Over there.
This corner?
Yeah, that one. No. They're coming. I better go.
That corner?
Like, next to the... I forgot. Next to the bunny. Next to the bunny.
This corner, Puppet. Where are the balloons?
I don't know.
Well, it's Vallora's birthday and we have to get them ready for her birthday party. If you know, now is the time to say something. You have to tell the truth.
Oh, fine. I hit the balloon so Ballora doesn't have a great party.
Why did you do that?
I'm sorry.
Let's go get the balloons and quickly decorate the place. Ballora, I had a wonderful time decorating and doing my art project with you.
So did I. Thank you so much for coming over.
Now that I spent the entire evening here, how about we go to the pizzeria and have that slice of pizza in honor of your birthday?
Okay, let's go to the pizzeria.
Man, the place looks awesome. Those guys found the balloon just in the nick of time. Hey, Puppet, are we ready to hide?
Puppy, Mango, go hide. They're coming right now.
Oh man, let me get a hiding place. See you in a few. All right, we're almost there, Ballora.
Okay.
Oh, there's hardly anyone here. Yeah, let's go in. It's so dark.
Surprise!
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 Oh my gosh, is this all for me, guys?
Yep. Yeah.
Oh man, thank you so much.
You're welcome, Ballora. You're welcome.
It's your birthday and we wanted to celebrate with you. Oh, I thought you forgot my birthday. Oh, no, we didn't. Are you guys ready to party?
Yeah!
Let's party! Happy birthday, Ballora!
Let's do some dance moves.
And that was our story on Vallora's
Birthday!
So what did we learn? When you're doing a birthday party, you don't hide the decorations. Is that right, Puppet?
Yeah.
Yes. Well, this is our first time doing these skits, and we really enjoyed it. We look forward to other videos. This McFarlane set for us to put together. There's a bunch of different rooms in the Freddy gameplay. So we'll be adding to them. All right, what do you want to tell your Macaroons?
Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And check us out on